Hello there and welcome to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. So if you're new here today, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and smash that bell for notifications. We're doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to do one video with two bikes. And the reason I'm going to do two bikes is we've got on the left, we have the beautiful Kawasaki KZ or Z1 1976. And on the right we have the 1978, I think it is a 78, let me just check, yeah, 78 KZ or Z650. Both have rolled into stock in the last few days, so I thought let's just throw them into one video. So yeah, let's do this. Let's have a quick walk around these two beautiful bikes from Kawasaki, both iconic machines, and we'll go from there, see how this turns out. So like I say, we'll start off with the Kawasaki Z1 or KZ900. It's a 76, lovely looking bike, absolutely iconic colours. Let me just get my cheat sheet because I won't remember everything that I'm telling you. So yeah, 1976 KZ900 or Z1 in the UK, currently showing 12,243 miles on the clock. It is UK registered and it is down as a historic vehicle on the V5, and there is a Haynes manual supplied with the bike. So yeah, we'll just have a slow walk around this bike just to show you the condition of this vehicle. Lovely bike, absolutely lovely. Like I say, very iconic machine these days. This one I can't start because I've got no bloody fuel, excuse my French. So yes, I've got no fuel, and it was drained when it came into us, or shortly after anyway, just because we like to drain a lot of these, keep them for storage and stuff like that. It's come out of a collection, this bike, and as you can see, she's lovely. Nice, usable, classic machine there. So yeah, like I say, down as historic on the V5. Looks like it's got some fresh paint going on there. On the tank looks like it's been painted recently to a nice high standard. But yeah, what a lovely bike, very iconic. Okay, so that's the 900. Let's switch over to this, which I think colour wise looks beautiful. This blue with this the gold pinstripe, yeah, absolutely stunning. So this is the 78 KZ650. I'm just going to get my cheat sheet as well from behind me, over my shoulder. So yeah, it's like I said, 1978 Z650. Again, UK registered, again down as historic on the V5. I've got loads of invoices. It's had a fairly detailed restoration, this bike. Lots of invoices, again a Haynes manual with the bike supplied. It's had the carbs rebuilt and balanced, crank bearings and seals done, new rims, new spokes. So just putting my cheat sheet down. So yeah, fairly extensive work on this beautiful bike. And again, we'll just have a slow walk round. This one I can start up because it's just come in and I've still got fuel in it. So we can have a quick start with this today, which is never a bad thing. But as you can see, lovely condition again, like the 9. It's strange doing two bikes in one video. Tell what your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you want to see more of this, where I've got two bikes of a similar stature in one video, or do you like the individual videos? Yeah, very nice. So yeah, let's just have a quick start up. Of course, on the Z650s, as a lot of you know, I've got to put the camera down. So let me just chuck the camera down there. Excuse me 2 seconds while we put some life in her. There we go. There we go, sorry about that. The microphone's attached by a wire to my camera. Beautiful. There we go. Yeah, like I say, sorry I had to put the camera down in a horrible place because the microphone's attached to me by a wire, so I'm restricted to how far away I can get. So yeah, starts and runs on the button. So does the Z9, but like I say, I've just got no fuel for that one. We never have any fuel in this place, which is no great surprise to anybody. So that's the two Kawasaki's. Like I say, let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Do you like this format, or do you want me to go back to just doing one single bike at a time, or when I get two bikes like this that are fairly iconic and very similar, almost not a comparison but side by side type of thing. So we can potentially offer finance on either one of these vehicles, with them being both beautiful classics, and we can offer nationwide or international delivery. So if you've got any questions at all on either one of these bikes or any of our others, don't hesitate, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at either one of these bikes or any of our others, I've got probably over 100 classics in stock at any given moment, plus 60, 70 modern vehicles as well. And we've always got some obscure stuff, and the kettle is always on, by the way, guys. So if you do want to come down and have a look, chew the fat, talk motorbikes, we're here. This is what we do. So yeah, there we go. So just to wrap this up, we've got the 78 Z650 and we've got the 76 Z9 in stock today at Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster. Any questions, give us a shout. Slightly longer video than normal, being a dual bike kind of setup day. But hope you like that, folks, and thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and grab that bell for notifications. Other than that, I'm out of here. Have a good day, folks. Stay safe, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.